psychedelic plants like DMT or ayahuasca, where do they fit within the
No, where they fit. They hurt and damage you completely. Please do not use any of these psychedelic drugs. They thoroughly damage you, gives you the false, illusory ideas. They only push you more and more into deep sleep and dream state and delusion. Please do not use any external substance. Anything externally goes inside and makes is dangerous. Marijuana or any psychedelic drugs, they only break the whole circuit. Physical circuit, physiological circuits, psychological circuits, and neurological circuits. All the circuits are broken and damaged terribly, sometimes irreparably. So please do not use any of the psychedelic drugs or these items. If you are already used, better use Haritaki and cleanse your body. See, Haritaki is considered to be, in the Ayurvedic tradition, in Hindu tradition, only one object is revered, respected more than mother. See, in Hindu tradition, mother is highly revered. Even if somebody is a sannyasi, if he sees the mother, he has to touch the feet. If he sees the father, he does not need to touch. Father has to touch his feet. But mother, even if you are a sannyasi, you have to touch her feet. That reverence is given. But Ayurveda says the Haritaki is much more good to you than your mother. So if you have damaged your system without knowingly or unknowingly, by taking any of these psychedelic drugs or marijuana or psychiatric medicines, depression drugs, understand, depression medicines, this bipolar disorder medications, all of them damage your system irreparably. If you have damaged yourself, take Haritaki every day and at least detoxify yourself. Detoxify yourself. If you have damaged your system by any of these modern day drugs or psychedelic drugs, applying turmeric on your forehead every night and taking Haritaki. Actually, fluoride enters into your system even through skin. Understand? Fluoridated water, you don't need to drink. Even if you take shower, 40% fluoride enters into your system. And the antidote for fluoride is turmeric. That also enters into your system through skin. If you rub turmeric, more than 40% gets into your system. So, taking bath, using turmeric or Haritaki powder, applying the turmeric on your forehead, taking bath by applying the Haritaki powder on your skin, or taking Haritaki orally, taking turmeric powder orally in your food, all these can do detoxification. All these can detoxify. Many of you might have damaged yourself, but you may not want to express. You don't need to. I'll give you the solution. You just practice this solution. That's enough. Leaving the head, shave the whole body and rub Haritaki powder, like a skin should become almost pink, that level. Rub on the skin and take hot water bath. In the night, before going to bed, apply turmeric on your forehead, rub nicely. This too can detoxify your system and it can heal you like anything. It can remove the unnecessary toxins you accumulated due to by taking antidepressants or bipolar medicines or marijuana or any other psychedelic drugs. Even the fluoride, please understand, fluoride is declared, officially declared neurotoxin. How many of you know? It is officially declared neurotoxin. Please do not allow fluoride in any form. Fluoride strengthens your teeth, your bone is a lie. It does not. And whatever quantity fluoride you need, your body is intelligent enough to produce. You don't need external fluoride. Fluoridating is one of the ways you are kept in dullness. You are kept in the low levels of consciousness. Low neurological life is maintained in you by fluoride. Fluoride keeps you constantly internally fighting. So you are busy with yourself, you don't become a rebel. You don't become a powerful person. Please understand, actually in those days, in Indian villages, women used to apply turmeric and take bath. Not last one generation. I've seen my mother and all used to use. In those days, there will be a small stone on which they rub the turmeric. And then they will apply on the whole body and take bath. When you are going to apply the turmeric in the night time, take the turmeric and make it like a paste, nicely apply on the whole forehead. Because your third eye is the part most affected by the fluoride. Nicely apply, fall asleep, early morning, wash and come out. Don't frighten the people who are living around you. And using the turmeric for bath means take with both the hands and apply on the whole body. Rub nicely. See, rubbing, that makes the turmeric get into your system. Or haritaki, you can use any one. You can use haritaki. See, if you clean the body, remove the hair, that pore need to be rubbed. If you remove the hair and rub the turmeric or haritaki, it will get into the pore and that will detoxify you strongly. So take handful and nicely rub on all over the body. It should become like the skin should become pink. That much rub. Don't use any other stone or anything. Use only hand. And rub. That's the best way to detoxify. It is described in a detailed way in Ayurveda to detoxify.